love and sparkles. Thank you, and thank you, and thank you, everybody, for being here. To all my returning subscribers, thank you for staying and returning all the time. To all the new subscribers or the new people watching, thank you for being here. It would be well appreciated if you would subscribe and hang out all the time, and make sure you hit like. It really does help the channel. If you want, you can hit dislike. Either one really helps the channel. Oh, Lord. Why can I not get in these things? Last night I put up a couple of liniments. That's what these big green bottles are up here. They took on the colors really quick. Oh, goodness. There, finally, got in there. This is a Diamond Art Club. And as you can see by the pink circle, it is a round. If it was a square, it would be a blue square. Thank you. Be a little obnoxious cated there. Okay, and this picture is going to be Golden Glade. You can scan that with your phone and get 10% off your purchase. I'm a DAC affiliate, so I will have an affiliate code in the description box, so that if this is your first time purchasing, you may go in the description box and pull up that link. I think it's 15% off. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is open this up. I am also an Artdot affiliate, so that if you're looking for new storage, I will put a link in there for you to go and you can get 10%. But I think right now you can actually use that link, but go and get the 15% special. Okay, there we go. Oh, how cute. Gorgeous, gorgeous, and it really fits the picture. Look at that washi tape. Gorgeous. Pink squishy, pink pen. And I think that's going to be the easiest one I have gotten to go on. May have spoke too soon, but at least it was moving like it was going to go on. There we go. Pink squishy, pink pen. We get a little heart caddy with 2 tabs of wax. They are covered with a plastic cover. Make sure you take off that plastic cover before you go dotting your pen in it, or you won't pick up any wax. You'll be going, why am I not getting wax? You get a 4-placer, you get a 7-placer, and we got a little Easter bunny with a strawberry. Yay! I'll put all those back in here. Well, except for my little bunny. I'll put him on the fridge with the rest of them. And this. We'll put him on the fridge with the rest of them. Yay! I don't have Bunny yet. That was the first bunny. I have bears and everything else, but that was the first bunny. Alright. And they will all come in this plastic dust cover. Oh my. And the confetti is real. Look at the confetti in that. That's right up my alley. That is my jam. It is poured glue, so you can roll it backwards to enable yourself to get it to lay flat. Ooh. Let me put these controllers on the ground. Yay. Okay. Controllers are down. This is going to be confetti heavy. It's going to be gorgeous. Okay, and I'll show you how sticky. I'll do it over here so you can actually see. It is very sticky. It is a round, which I have been doing so many squares, so I'm kind of glad to be doing a round, let me tell you. It's got 2 deer, and it's going to have 1, 2, 3 ABs, which a bunch of the ones are these really light yellows right here. All that really light, it's gonna make it pop. Choose. Let me see some 2s. Okay, the 2s are this gold. It's interspersed down through here in the leaves, up in here in the leaves. And the 1s, where's my 1s? 1s are the light, where's my 3s? And my 3s are the light green that's interspersed throughout here. So those would be your ABs. Oh God, that's going to be gorgeous. I got a problem. I sit here and I do these, and then I want to kit them up right then. It's like, oh no, I can't. Okay, here's a close-up of Golden Glade. And it is a 30 by 22. It has 51 colors. You also will get this little thank you for your purchase book. And it tells you, well, it gives you some QR codes. Let me see if I can get them here. Here's one that gives you to a video on how to step-by-step diamond paint. Here's one that takes you to a VIP Facebook group. And then you get tips and tricks, and you get another code. And then we're going to pull out these. So you can see these in all their glory, because these are glorious, guys. Glorious, glorious. And it's only one package. I've had so many lately that have been like 2 and 3. Okay. Got to get those up out of the way because they'll mess them up. This little bitty one is a 937. 993, 780, 895, 321, 648. There's first AB. Ooh, that's a pretty green. It's a yellowy green. A lemon. 991, 907. 415, 645, 890, the dark green, 647, 434, $7.83, $4.35, $37.65, $9.92, $38.14, and $700. Okay, $7.82, $38.61, $37.57, $4.33, $38.46, $3.18, $7.44, $37.87, $900, $4.36, $4.14, $7.79, $33.46, and $6.99, and $6.40. And our big long strand. I don't know why they did that. They did 2 short strands and 1 long strand. $38.60, $6.66, and these have the little poke holes in them, so they don't have no static in them. $6.77, $1.29. Beautiful light buttery. Looks like light butter. $9.38, $3.17, $3.10. That's the only bag of $3.10. And this one's like a real pretty orange, $1.32, and there's 2 bags of that $1.32. $7.12, $7.42, $33.71, and there is 3 bags of it. $9.47, $37.43, no, just $7.43. $7.40, $37.99. There's 2 bags of it and 1 bag of $4.13. So let me put these drills away. All back in their bag. Let me flip this over again. Okay, and the licensing is on the bottom of it down here. Just gonna take you with me. Right here is the licensing. It'll say Golden Glade. It's an Abraham Hunter. It's 76 by 56. And then it's going to have all the social details on it down here at the bottom. Oh. There we go. And then up at the top it has to do what makes you sparkle. Telling you. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Absolutely phenomenal image. But I just started my other canvas. Just finished Magic Potions. I'm gonna take it outside in a little while. I'm gonna drink my coffee. And so I'll get this loaded and up. But this is beautiful Golden Glade by Abraham Hunter. I will get my DAC affiliate code in the description box. I will get the Artdot affiliate code in the description box, and I will have the link to this picture because I'm pretty sure they still have it. So make sure you check the description box. As Christopher says, do all the YouTubey things. Hit subscribe, hit like, go out and share me. You know, bring us some love, bring us some love, bring us some love. Now on the event is coming up in September and October. So if you are interested in sponsoring and you don't have a small store, but you would be interested in sponsoring, I'm going to put an Amazon wish list for diamond painting stuff on there if you would like to purchase any of it. I've been out purchasing for it. I've been gathering sponsors for it. It's Let Your Witch Goddess Free 23. There's Facebook group if you're interested. So, you know, just check it out. You might like it. You never know. But we're going to have some fun. And y'all, I love you. Come back. So have a great day. Have a wonderful week. And I will see you on Thursday. Bye.